But I was in Florida, and I was at a funeral on the beach, and I wrote this song thinking about Baldrick Buckle making a much better tombstone out of sand. Baldrick Buckle built a sand sculpture tombstone before the tide rolled in. Delilah's drinking a cocktail with a sad umbrella as the sun got gone again. Threw her daddy's ashes in the algae bloom off the Gulf of Mexico. Now she's trying to light a wet cigarette as a sea turtle sleeps below. Try to pay off one last respect before the tide rolled in, and the sand sculpture tombstone starts caving in. Taking a Polaroid picture now, with the camera in a Ziploc bag. On the spot, hero shot, the stones black and blue, after a 45-year lag. Little baby dragons invaded the island. They're not babies no more. 'Twas a perfect habitat for the creatures to thrive in. Rauschenberg painted the door. Try to pay off one last respect before the tide rolled in, and the sand sculpture tombstone starts caving in. I tried to pay off one last respect before the tide rolled in, and the sand